Welcome to our machinery exhibition hall. Here you can see our complete series of underground mining and tunnel construction equipment. Our product range covers roadway repair machines, mucking loaders, tunnel excavators, and milling machines. We provide standard machines as well as diesel explosion-proof versions for underground coal mine operation. These machines adopt compact design with powerful output which can work flexibly inside narrow underground laneways. We can customize hydraulic system, arm structure, and configurations based on your actual construction environment. No matter you need tunneling, rock breaking, or slag removal equipment, we can offer professional solutions. Feel free to contact us for detailed technical parameters, drawings, and competitive factory prices.